Today we're going to be reacting to Lesdomakeup's Instagram story of her son's birthday party behind the scenes. Let's get to it.
Okay, update. I did one leg already. I messed up a little bit right here, but I feel like you can't really tell, right? Unless I point it out. But yeah, I like how they look. I'll show you guys very soon what my outfit is, even though I feel like it's already pretty obvious, but you guys will be seeing it soon.
Oh my gosh, look at her being a Miss DIY girl. Yes, girl, get it. Wow, le quedó bonito. Looking good, girl. I'm liking it. They look so freaking happy. It's always so exciting making your kids' birthday parties, and especially their first one. Definitely.
Okay, surprisingly, I'm ready on time. I just have to do my hair, but that's gonna be super quick. So I'm actually gonna start editing the cake video now. That way I can have it up for you guys ASAP. So I'm gonna do some editing, baby G snapping, and then we're gonna turn up.
Oh my gosh, her hair. She went from short to a long braid, girl, with the big bow. Looks so cute, though. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. She said, where my Woody at? Ooh, there he is. Oh my god, they're so cute. Comment down below. Beating myself up because I should have made it all caps. Girl, it's okay. It's still cute. Oh my god, he's so adorable. So cute. Oh my gosh, you made like the bat theme and everything. That is adorable. Ooh, I really want to get some of those for my 30th birthday, guys. Ooh, that everything is so cute. The space pizza. Oh, they're donuts. Okay. That's cute. Oh my god, the entrance with the balloons and everything. That's cute. She went all out. Look at that. The king chair and everything. Woody. Dang, she went out. Woody there too with the freaking pony and everything. Okay, girl, I see you. You got money. The kids' plates, like, what? The piñata. She had like a magic show too and everything. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, Les. We see you. We see you. They're adorable. Okay, guys, if you guys like these kind of videos where I react to your favorite influencers' Instagram stories, comment down below and let me know if you're feeling them or not. And also comment down below who you would like me to react to. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, girl. Your subscription really does help the channel out a lot. And like the video, and if you're already subscribed, I appreciate you so much. You already know, girl. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back on my next video. Bye!